New port in El Gorguel. Container shipping in the world, and specifically in the Mediterranean, is growing by more than 10% per year, justifying the construction of new transshipment ports along the axis between the Suez Canal and the Straits of Gibraltar. The port of Cartagena, located on the western Mediterranean in the area of influence of the Straits of Gibraltar, is a potential location that provides considerable strategic value for the creation of a logistics platform for container transshipment that is highly attractive to shipping companies that operate this type of traffic. Also, the existing land connections to the rest of the peninsula by road and by rail, as well as by the projected railway connections included in the Mediterranean Railway Corridor project that will connect Cartagena to Northern Europe, encourage the importing and exporting of goods through the port. This transshipment traffic, combined with the import-export traffic that would be attracted by the port of Cartagena, would provide a unique opportunity for economic development of the Murcia region by positioning the port as one of the principal nodes in the international logistics network. The increased container traffic would cause a significant shift in the port's activity towards traffic of clean general goods, in which the port operation and logistics would add significant value to the transport chain. These facts prompted the Port Authority of Cartagena, whose board of directors is made up of members from different administrations and institutions, such as the Central Administration, the Regional Government of Murcia, the Cartagena City Council, the Chambers of Commerce, and business representatives from the Murcia region and the principal labor unions, to design a new strategic plan aimed at constructing an exterior basin on Murcia coastline to be used exclusively for container traffic and general goods. The new port will have the following characteristics: 190 hectares of esplanade, 1,465 meters of main quay, 3,295 meters of quays with esplanade, 1,000 meters of quays without esplanade, 4,670 meters of seawall. The new basin would be connected to land by one roadway tunnel and one railway tunnel, preserving the Faucilla Mountains and connecting the new outer port to the regional, national and international land routes. This means that the new terminal for vehicle traffic would link the land shipping networks to the motorways of the sea, which are being promoted by the European Community to reduce the environmental impact caused by the CO2 emissions generated by different means of transportation. A total investment of more than 1.1 billion euros has been planned. This would be split between private investment and public investment, which would fall under the responsibility of the Port Authority of Cartagena. A total of 650 million euros of public funds would be invested in the infrastructure for the complete development of the basin, which would be constructed in 2 phases. Private investment would finance the rest of the infrastructure as well as all of the terminal equipment. The investment includes the construction of seawalls, docks, port fill, paving, installations, and all of the equipment required to put the terminals into operation, such as the quay cranes, gantry cranes, platforms, and forklifts, among others. This project holds extraordinary potential for generating business opportunities, ranging from loading activities to handling, storage, transshipping to distribution centers, consignment, quality control, mechanical inspection, machinery maintenance, financial institutions, hotels, restaurants, and others. Likewise, the project encourages investment opportunities, obtaining continuous benefits, as several economical and feasibility studies made by world-leading companies have shown. The most relevant figures are an internal rate of return of over 10% in all cases and a net added value of over €70 million.